today we have a different type of video. I'm gonna be vlogging for the first time. My husband and I are going camping and I thought this will be a really cool experience to share with you guys. If you guys do like this type of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, it's my first vlog, so let's see how it goes. I'm gonna be sharing a little bit of everything that we do before camping, what we do when camping, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So we packed everything. We have there our cooler with the food, sleeping bags, pillows, our tent, and then we have our 2 camping boxes with all the stuff for cooking. We're gonna have to put all of this in the car and I'll keep you guys posted. So we're all packed up and ready to go. You ready? Ready. Let's go. So we just stopped for a coffee and now we're just at a convenience store where we're gonna get some ice to put in our coolers, and this is the last stop before we hit the road. So yeah. So it seems like we're here, guys. Dinosaur Park. So this is the kind of the entrance. That's where we came. You can see the Badlands back there. Let me take you guys a little bit closer so we get a nice view from up here before we go down to the campground. So we are at the Badlands now, guys. It's a really nice view from up here. You see back there, there is a river, which I'm really excited to go check out later. And we're gonna be camping somewhere down there. But I wanted to show you guys how the Badland looks from up here. So beautiful. So to get to the campground, we have to drive down there. So let's get going. So this is our spot, guys. This is where we're gonna set up our tent. Right there, I think. And if you want to see the surrounding area, there are some RVs around us, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So we set up our tent right here. So in the morning we have this beautiful view. Look at that. And I'll give you guys kind of like a room tour in a minute. We have all our kitchen supplies in here. This is where we do dishes. We have all our kitchen plates and stuff. This is our little stuff where we make food. All our food is in that cooler. We have so much stuff in there. Delicious food. Keto food, by the way. And then, yeah, we have our chairs setting up here to make a fire at night. We went to get some wood to make a fire later on. And again, we have a beautiful view there. That's our tent, and I'm gonna show you guys inside. Okay, so we're gonna open it. It's actually really warm today, so we have a few windows open. But look at this. We got a new air mattress and it's so comfy. That's the setup for the bed we have in there. It's super comfy. We also got a new sleeping bag. It's the best because on the inside it's like made out of flannel. And then I have like kind of my beauty setup in there where I clean my face and I shower. Then our backpacks, and that's it. It's a pretty big tent. It's meant to be for 4 to 6 people, but we like big, so that way we have more space. So today we're at Dinosaur Provincial Park. It's kind of like close to the Badlands. It's a 2.5-hour drive from Calgary, and it's really beautiful. We're super excited because it's the first time we camp at a different spot rather than the mountains, so it looks pretty cool. We just got here, we just set up, and we're gonna have dinner and make a fire later on, and maybe tomorrow we're going on a hike and we'll show you guys around. So we came up here to explore what's around our site. We're on top of the hoodoo that is right in front of our tent. I'll show you guys where our tent is. It's that blue little house. How cute. And then I'll show you guys around. Look, so cool. It's beautiful in here. And like there's so many hikes to do around here and things to explore. But if you guys see like right there, there's like kind of like a little cave we want to explore tomorrow. And right behind it is the river. So we'll check it out tomorrow. Getting colder, so we decided to have a fire here. So nice. I'm hoping we get to see a lot of shooting stars tonight, and I'll show you guys in a second what are we having for dinner. So for dinner tonight we're having some burgers, and then I made some jicama fries that I brought. Oh, they're so good, guys. I'm gonna post this on another recipe video because they're delicious. Then we'll have all the toppings here. This is keto bread. I can't remember the brand, but it's awesome. Then we'll have sugar-free ketchup, pickles, mustard, mayo, and some onion. I'm excited for dinner, guys. And dinner is ready. Hello, guys. It is day 2 of our camping trip. We woke up early this morning. I'll show you guys a video. It's 6 a.m. and I woke up to the sounds of birds, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit so you can hear them. It was like super quiet. I woke up to like bird sounds. It was so pretty. We're gonna have breakfast right now. I already cleaned myself, look better now, and I'm gonna show you what we're having for breakfast. So for breakfast this morning we're gonna have some pancakes, and we brought the mix already made. Is the recipe that I posted on my other video. Then we're gonna try to make some iced coffee because it's so warm, guys, like you have no idea. We're gonna have some bacon with our pancakes and some berries, and I'm so excited. I'll show you guys what we came up with. And this is the final result. I'm so excited to eat. Hello. And let's dig in. So we decided to stay here one more night, but in order to do that we have to change sites, and we had to move everything to a new site, but I'll show you guys. We got another nice one. Really nice view as well. The setup is not as good as the other one, but it's still not bad at all. I'll show you guys. So we have our tent there, our table, and this is the view we have. It's pretty. That's the hobby over there. And then our fire, and then the car is right there, so it gives us a little bit more privacy, but the view is awesome. So we came for a really cool walk. It's like around 3 kilometers. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. It's so pretty. The weather is beautiful too, so. So we got this shitty frisbee from dollar store, and you have to throw it vertically so it goes horizontal. Look at this. Look. It's so shitty. I guess it was only $1. Let's see how I throw it. So you threw it like this so it goes like this. Look. I guess I suck a little bit too. So we decided to go on something. It's called the Fossil Loop. It is 3 kilometers in which you can find several spots with fossils, and you can either drive or walk. But since we did the walk earlier, we're a little bit tired. So yeah, I am excited because fossils are so cool. So I'll show you guys when we get there. Whoa, look at these guys. This is huge. I like the tails. I think the tails are pretty cool. Spot number 2. Look at those huge bones. Holy moly. Pretty cool setup they have in here. It is the time of the day. It's time to make a fire. Love fires. We're gonna make dinner in there tonight, not on our stove. So we're cooking some hot dogs and veggies. Making dinner right now. So I'm just gonna put veggies in tin foil to put them in the fire. Camping style cooking kind of thing here. And now veggies into the fire. We cook them like this last time and they tasted delicious. And we have the wieners here. They're Costco wieners. They're so good, guys. Then we found these keto hot dog buns. They have like less than a gram of carbs each, so we're gonna try them for the first time. Hopefully they will be good. We're gonna put this into the fire. Dinner is served. Veggies and hot dog. Yummy. It is almost sunset time, and we're gonna go take cool pictures of the sunset on top of the hoodoos. I'm so excited. Look at that. You can see the pink colors coming out. We just saw, guys, a deer. It's right there, crossing the street. That's awesome. We just came back from our little hike up there. It was really cool. We saw deers and it was awesome. Like, I was just there and I heard like a bum. It was like them jumping from hood to hood. It was so cool. Too bad I didn't have my camera ready, but it's okay. Yeah, today was a really good day. Did a bunch of stuff. It was cool. So yeah, we're gonna have a little fire right here and I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, welcome back to day 3 of our adventure. We just woke up, it's around 10 a.m. We're all ready to go. Yeah, yesterday was a really cool day and we've been sleeping really good in our new mattress. Like, it's so comfy, I could have stayed there forever, but it's time to get going. We're gonna make some breakfast here. I'll show you guys what are we making. We are making some bacon and some Mexican eggs with tomato and onion. They're so yummy. I'll show you guys when this is ready. Okay, show them what we were having for breakfast.
All right, iced coffee.
Nice. Made by yours truly, Sebastian.
Eggs, Mexican eggs with tomato, onion, bacon, some cheese.
Yummy. Okay, bon appetit. So I made this keto cake like a month ago and I froze it and we brought some for camping to have for dessert. So I'm gonna have some. So we are at our hike right now. We try to go into the center, but because of COVID, it's closed. But we're gonna go 3 kilometers trail right now, and it looks pretty cool. So yesterday we saw the deers, and that was pretty cool. I think so far it's one of the highlights from this camping. But we're hoping that today we'll see some more wild animals. That's always awesome to see just animals in their nature. It's really cool. What are the type of animals that we could see in this type of weather and region?
Magpies, rabbits, mule deer, bobcat, raccoons.
What are you hoping that we see today?
I want to see a porcupine and a snake.
Yeah, me too. Porcupines are cute when they're babies. Can you guys spot anything? Let me know. Okay guys, we think we found something cool. A bone. Yeah, it's a bone with hair. Might be like a deer or something. Looks like. We finally came to the river. It's really cool. Too bad we can't go swim or anything because it's super hot right now. It would be nice if there was like a little beach area or something. I'll show you guys. Hey guys, sorry I haven't recorded a lot today, but it was so hot and we just wanted to chill. We had a nap earlier, we had dinner, and now we're gonna start a fire. We're planning to go and take some galaxy pictures today, but it looks like it's a little bit cloudy. So that might not work. We'll see if the clouds go away. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. We decided to come for a last walk before it gets dark. This place keeps amazing me. It's just beautiful. Hello guys, it is day 4 of our camping trip adventure. So today it's our last day camping. Check out for the campsite is at 2 p.m. So it is around 9:30 right now. We're gonna have breakfast, pack up everything and go back home. It is a 2.5-hour drive back to Calgary, so we should be home soon. Can't wait to take a shower. So I actually didn't show you guys yesterday the Milky Way shoots because it actually ended up being really overcast, so we couldn't see any stars, so there was no point for us to go and take pictures. But it will be another day. We have many summer days left and we'll go take some Milky Way pictures. Okay guys, we're gonna pack up and I'll see you guys in a minute. Our tent is pretty much all put in away. We just need to put the tent basically away, but everything else inside is ready. Sweet 16, that's how we call our tent. We are having breakfast right now. We have the same breakfast as yesterday. Mexican eggs, bacon and cheese. Yeah, we're pretty much all packed up. We're gonna leave after this, guys. Hey guys, so the trip has come to an end. This was a really cool experience. We're at Dinosaur Provincial Park, and it's a really cool campground because it has a lot of facilities such as bathrooms, showers, even playgrounds for the kids. And if you go all the way up to the campground, you can find like a coffee shop, which is really useful. And if you're lucky, you might get Wi-Fi on your campsite. You don't need Wi-Fi when you're camping, but sometimes it's useful. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button so it notifies you when I upload a new video, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.